The HP200 is a portable cold welder, which can be wheeled quickly to the work area, saving effort and reducing downtime. It's foot-operated and powered by an air hydraulic intensifier. The welding head is made from solid steel for extra strength and stability. The die is easily loaded by placing it into the die pocket. It is held down against the spring ejector pins while the foot pedal is depressed to secure it in position. The cover plates are then slid into position and the nuts tightened by hand. Finally, the die gap is adjusted according to the thickness of the material to be welded. The machine is now ready for use, and the wire can be fed into each side. The welding operation is controlled by the foot pedal. Each depression causes the wire to be gripped and fed forward, pushing the ends together. The surface impurities are squeezed outwards from the core, forming a flash or burr. It takes about 4 compressions to make a weld. The welded wire is manually released from the clamps and the flash removed by hand. The resulting weld is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material.